Now, this biscuit, yeah, digestive biscuit. Okay, so I keep them. I don't just open them and then leave them in the cupboard. Okay, this is how I keep them. Okay, so it's better to keep it closed container. Okay, plus hygiene purposes. So I open them, keep them here, this container. Oh, why you fall now? You know, save money not easy. See as you fall break. Abba. So I think one roll like this. So it's very easy. It's easy for them if they want to come and pick some. Right. So I keep the biscuit like this. The biscuit like this. So when you open it, stay fresh. Stay fresh. So me, I like biscuit. Keep your biscuit like this, okay? And it tastes good. If you go somewhere, your biscuit don't taste like that, put it in the bin. The one you eat, it doesn't taste like the one you eat, because digestive biscuit is digestive biscuit everywhere. Digestive biscuit is digestive biscuit everywhere. So one, I didn't arrange it properly, so that's why. So this all one pack goes in this container. That's it. They're here. I just keep it like this, and now look at that. So see, this is how I keep my digestive biscuit. I keep my biscuit in general. So if I have different types of biscuit, I keep them different container. Reason, anybody that wants digestive biscuit, they can see it is digestive biscuit and it's still fresh. Because when you open it in half and keep it in anywhere, air can get in it and it's not, that crunchiness will go. It will go. So that's why I keep them in a container, close, and it is good to go. I thought I bought rich tea biscuit. Where is it? Hey, I'll check my receipt now. So this is how I keep it. Nice and clean, fresh, and I'll keep it in the cupboard like this. Anybody that wants to have it is there. So try and keep your biscuit fresh for everyday taste.